Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Way of the Laser. I'm JMauler, your host and your guide. Loop path is a movement type that allows your laser to loop between point A, point B, point C, point D, all the way to infinity. But there is a bug where the spawn changes based on when you activate it. I'll explain everything, don't worry. I have this demo pattern of a cross that goes from one end of the pitch to the other. This is how you would expect it to come out. The laser moves from left to the right side, to the left side, to the right side, to the left side, on and on forever. But what if I wanted the node to move immediately when it spawns? I would set the movement starts when spawn flag from false to true. But here there seems to be a problem. When it spawns, it's not all the way on the left side. It's sort of near the middle. And this is what the bug is about. Say I'm creating a map and I want to add a laser before this one, but keeping everything else the same. For demo purposes, it's very simple. But when your code is 1,000 lines deep and you want to add something near the beginning, it messes everything up. This laser goes up and down over and over again. It doesn't really matter what it does because we're focused on the first laser we had. So let's add a delay to our now second laser so there's some buildup. And here we see the major problem. The spawn was changed even further from where we started, even though we didn't touch any part of that code. So what's happening here? Behind the scenes, the laser is spawning immediately, but isn't visible to the player until the delay has passed. It could line up exactly where you want it to spawn, and that's great. But if you change anything before that point, everything's ruined. To remedy this issue, there are 2 extra steps that we need to do. First, we need to make another movement path points name. Call it cross spawn. To not lose our original pathing that we want to keep, we have to make it seem like it's only moving between 2 points. To do that, we can draw a line between the 2 original points, then place our spawn location somewhere on that line. Now we need to time until our cross visibly spawns in. Add up all the delays before it, as well as this laser's delay. This will be 10 in our case. Then copy the laser and paste it at the start. Change the delay to 0. Now the white laser represents the green's laser position at all times. So we could see exactly where it's going to be at 10 seconds and update accordingly. You could use an external timer if you need to. If you're using an external timer, right before the 3, 2, 1 countdown in game, the timer starts. After that 3, 2, 1 countdown, 3 seconds have passed. So delay of 3 will be at that time. So this is where the laser's start position will be at delay of 10. Now let's add our new transform to our test laser and test again. Remember, when the green laser spawns in, it will actually be at the white laser's position. I want it to spawn on the very left side, so let's change the start location to somewhere near the right side of that line that we found earlier. Let's test one more time. Perfect. Make sure to add cross spawn to the real laser and delete the white laser at the start. Let's test one more time just to make sure that everything lines up. Beautiful. Although this isn't a perfect answer because it happens every time you want to add something before your loop pathing laser starts. It will hopefully improve your workflow until CE Asia fixes this issue. That's all I got for you. Thanks for watching and happy mapping. And as always, have a good one.